In the last video, we posted a job and looks like we have received an application as well. So in the dashboard, it notifies me about the application. Here is the recent application which I have received. I can look at the profile. I can see all the information related to contact him. I can see the portfolio and the skill set. I can see an introduction video uploaded by the candidate. Here is the CV uploaded by the candidate. I can download it. Even on the dashboard, we can do a lot of cool things. I can approve the application if I like it. I can schedule a meeting right away. So let's schedule it for tomorrow. 8 p.m. is fine. Let's schedule it for 30 minutes. And I can write a message to notify him. Hello, let's catch up tomorrow. You'll get notified about this meeting. I can also reject from here only. I can download the CV and look at it. Let's review the job application posted by us. This is how the jobs looks like. Candidate gets option to share the job at various social channels. XRDI's dashboard is a powerful tool. It gives you more control over the application than any other platform. With time, we're gonna come up with better features and improvements. With the Extended Reality Developer Initiative, we have a vision to bridge the gap between the talents and the industry. And without your tremendous support, it is never possible.